Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to view two Microsoft Excel workbooks side by side. Some people used the additional monitor on their computer to improve the productivity. This will be useful for compare the two files. If you are using Microsoft Excel with a single monitor, how can you open the two different Excel files side by side? Let's learn how you can do this. In my computer, I have opened the two Excel files. So one is Student March 2021 and another one is Student March 2022. So I would like to compare the both file on side by side. So first I have to go to View tab. Here I have to click on the View Side by Side menu. This will be automatically align the side by side. It will not align properly. You have to go to Window, click on the Arrange All. So now I would like to change the horizontal position and click OK. You can check now it's aligned horizontally, but the problem is it's not showing properly because I'm using the smaller size monitor. So I would like to change the position. Go to Arrange All, then select the tiled. Now it's set side by side. In this way, you can view the two Microsoft Excel workbook side by side. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.